Hey everyone, welcome back to another Crumbl review. I'm super excited because y'all know last week I was like, I hope you guys have s'mores, and they have s'mores this week. I'm super excited. I'm not gonna lie, they kind of missing my berry one like OG because I did deliver again, but it's okay. It's okay. So this one is the chocolate cupcake. Oh my god, and this week they have so much chocolate. We love it. So this is a chocolate cupcake, and I think the only one we're gonna break apart is the s'mores one. So this does feel like a little bit flaky kind of thing. I'm about to try it. This size has the berry thing because it's the one next to it. So yeah, I'm about to try it. I feel like you've been watching me right now. You like when y'all see me make a certain face, y'all be like, yeah, she don't like it. This cookie does not taste bad. It was just like, wasn't what I was expecting, honestly. As well as like, it didn't taste like a cupcake at all. The cookie itself, it was like, I don't know what, like you see them cookies that be like, I don't want to say hard, but like, it be hard but about to be like, baby, like super flaky. Like that's how it feels. Like I don't know if you can tell by my hands, but like it gives like flaky kind of texture. The chocolate frosting though, I don't really like chocolate frosting, but the chocolate frosting was not overpowering, which I really do like. I like how the chocolate frosting was not overpowering, but the cookie itself doesn't taste like it was supposed to be at all. So I'm gonna give that one 7. Sorry. I just be keeping it honey with y'all. This week lineup, I like this week lineup, but I'm not gonna lie, it was really creative. It's giving old Crumbl, you know. So the next one is the berry one. So I'm not gonna break this one open because this one's already messed. This came mad messed up, and I was like, it's cool. So if my videos look a little bit off on Instagram and TikTok, y'all know why. Bro, how the inside looks like, I don't know. Let me. Number one, I am not a berries person. Like I'm not. Like when it comes to like berries, specifically berries in desserts, it just doesn't hit for me. The swirl shit does taste good, but the cookie, I don't know what was in that cookie, but I don't really like the cookie itself, honestly. I'm not feeling that one, but I do feel like if you love like berries, you'll probably fuck that shit up. But me though, I'm gonna drink some water because I was low-key a bit dry, and it did have things on the inside. This was triple berry cobbler. It had strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry with cinnamon cream cheese frosting. I did not taste no cinnamon at all. With it decorated with a dash of cinnamon. What is the cookie? I don't know if I'm tripping or the thing itself does not say what cookie it is. It's saying what's, I'm tripping. I don't know if I'm like, am I dumb or, you see when something be having you confused, you be like, are you dumb, are you slow, or is it them? Okay, I don't know what that cookie was, but I know it's berry. I don't know what the base of it is, but I don't like it. And look like it had nuts in it, and I really do like nuts. Hey yo. But that's really the star of the show, and this is the one I'm super excited for. I wanted to get the 6-pack, but Uber Eats recharged. I said Uber Eats. Crumbl recharging OD, so I'm like just gonna go in person. But I wanted to get this video out for y'all. So this is the star of the show. I'm super excited. I heard a lot of good things about this. I fucking love s'mores. So let me just shut up and break this cookie. Hold on. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, gooey. gosh, I'm gonna take this time. How do y'all like y'all s'mores? Do y'all like y'all s'mores like y'all marshmallow mad burnt? Or do y'all like it like kind of burnt or like really not burnt at all? I like my shit super burnt. Like this burnt is really good. I'm so excited. Okay, let me eat. Yeah. This, I'm going back to Crumbl. I'm definitely going back to Crumbl. Lordy. That right there is the best. The fucking best Crumbl cookie they ever had. Like, I love s'mores. I really do love s'mores. But I never had it on a cookie. And this is what I would think. Even better than what I would think. Let's get this cookie started because I really want to hug it. It's so good. But I cannot stop eating it. I heard the bad. Inside itself is super moist. Like you get the cookie feeling, the cookie sensation. It's super moist. Like when I bit into it, it's just like my teeth went right through. I'm not fighting to eat it. Feel me? Like with this one, I was okay like fighting to like just even bite into it. For this one, my teeth went right through, and it wasn't even because, and the marshmallow itself, I hate when marshmallow be sticking up in your teeth like type shit. It did not do that at all. Like it was so good. It was so moist. The chocolates were like slightly melted, mind you. This is not super warm because I did delivery, but even then, like it was super moist. Like the chocolate was still like a little bit melted. This has been their best cookie so far, and I'm going to give this a 20 out of 10. And y'all never heard me give a high ass rating like that, but this cookie is really delicious. Like that was the best cookie. I see why people was hyping it up before, because I've been seeing this months before, but I never got it because I know I'm kind of so new to Crumbl. So yeah. And for the berry cookie, I'm gonna give the berry cookie, I'm gonna give that a 2 out of 10. Sorry. So this one is dulce de leche, and I had real dulce de leche. I'm Dominican, so yeah, this is like reg shit. So you're about to see if this is good. I am gonna put my finger down. Should I break it for y'all? Okay, it's soft, so I'm gonna break it for y'all. All of a sudden I have a good ass cookie and I want to break it for y'all. Girl. Yeah. Okay. Bad break, but it smells shit like cinnamon. I'm gonna put my finger down, so like I've been trying to put the frosting so I can have. Sorry, I can't bite that wide. I don't want to break my fingers. But I don't know if I'm tripping, or I haven't had dulce de leche for that long, or this doesn't taste like dulce de leche. This don't taste like dulce de leche at all. Like, I keep taking more. Maybe I'm gonna get just a scoop of this, just the frosting on top. I'm not tripping. I'm ready. You see when you don't know if you're tripping or like you haven't had it in a long time? That's me right now. I grew up on dulce de leche. Feel me? Like Dominican cakes, and like every birthday was a Dominican cake until I got to college, because my birthday is in November. But that's another story for another day. So I know how dulce de leche tastes like, and it's not this at all. It's not. It doesn't taste bad. I think it has a strong cinnamon flavor if anything, but like the dulce de leche taste is not there at all. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm disappointed because the cookie tastes bad, but I feel disappointed because as a Dominican who grew up with dulce de leche, like what the fuck is that? Feel me? I don't know. That cookie got me mad confused because it's like, what is that? It's not. It don't taste like dulce de leche. It doesn't taste bad though. It just tastes like a cookie. I don't taste anything. Like I really think it's because I'm like my mind is like this is not what dulce de leche tastes like. I'm trying to figure out like where do they miss it, because like the presentation is there, it looks like it and all, but it just doesn't taste like it. But it wasn't as bad as the other cookies, feel me? It was definitely better than berry. I'd rather have that than berry any day. The aftertaste is really good though. Like the aftertaste, I taste the cinnamon. Okay, I've been recording for 5 minutes straight talking about a cookie that I can't understand the flavor. Girl, are you supposed to be a foodie? But I'm gonna give that one, I'm gonna give it a solid 7.8 because it did not taste bad. I cannot tell y'all what the flavor is, besides it does have like a cinnamon taste. But besides that, it does not taste like dulce de leche. So if you're looking to get some Dominican dulce de leche in this Crumbl, you're not. So yeah, the s'mores, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna say I'm disappointed this week, like, no, because they had the s'mores. And I feel like the s'mores just like allow this lineup to be forgiven, because this s'mores, I feel bad for my man. He's working right now. He is not going to taste this cookie until we go to Crumbl again, because this cookie is super bomb. That's it for today's Crumbl review. But I know I didn't upload the whole last week because I have an excuse, but I kind of don't have an excuse. But my excuse kind of is like I want to give y'all tips while I'm doing something with food, so it can stick, like it's still food content kind of thing. So I did hit, oh yeah, it's time to celebrate. I did hit 200 subscribers. Woo, woo, woo. It's a party in my tummy. So yummy. Do y'all remember that song? But yeah, we did hit 200 subscribers. Thank you for everybody who subscribed to my channel. As well as we hit 2,000 followers on motherfucking Instagram. Don't play. I am not one of them. And it's crazy how everything happened, because it really just took one video. And I know in my Q&A, y'all heard me speaking about it. And like, oh, like, you know, it just takes one video to change your life. But it's like, it's happening to me right now. So it's just like, I'm taking everything, and it's just like, my mind is just going. But I do have a cool ass recipe y'all fake slept on. It was like a spaghetti video. I'm gonna have it like right here. And y'all fake slept on that one, so please show me love on that one, please. Well, I'm gonna re-upload it again. Let me stop. But yeah, y'all been showing so much love to my Instagram. Like, bro, my Instagram is already on 2,164. Let me show y'all. I literally hit 2K followers like 2 days ago, and yeah, we're giving out good content. Y'all see the quality though? Make sure you follow me. And we hit 600 followers on Tickety Talk. Now make sure y'all follow me on Pinterest. I'm giving myself shout-outs as I should. Make sure y'all follow me on Pinterest, because it's like my food diary. So I be like having I'm about to oh, this one is cute. Sorry, I'll be having, my Pinterest is pretty cool. Y'all look even sleeping on it. Get me to 100 followers. I'm 11 followers away from being on 100. And then my Pinterest is pretty cool. I'll be having similar videos that's on my other social media platforms, as well as my food diary. So I do like a little bit of photography on my phone. And I also have really cool pins. I mean, I'm over here promoting everything. Oh shit. You're having like pins saved that can like potentially help you. Also, like, you know, even though I do food and y'all know me for food, I am still a person. I am still a human being. So yeah, so next video I'm gonna post is gonna be kind of celebrating it. We're gonna be icing a cake. I'm probably gonna do that video, record it tomorrow, and then post it on Wednesday. So be in tune for that. And yeah. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms for more videos. We're doing crumb reviews every single Monday. Every single Monday you can catch a crumb review on my channel. And I was also thinking about ordering the national-wide one, even though I have one located here, so we can like try different flavors. So let me know in the comments which I want. And I'm also doing a 2K follower giveaway, so make sure you follow my Instagram to be in tune for that, because I am giving out real goodies. I am gonna announce it probably on Wednesday as well. I was supposed to announce it for today. I have a lot of things going on today, so yeah, and I haven't really decided what I'm gonna give y'all. So yeah, comment down below what presents do y'all want, and the giveaway is gonna be completely free. All you probably have to do is follow a couple steps, you know, following my social media, subscribing to my platforms, yada yada yada. But besides that, you don't gotta do nothing. It's free. One of the things is y'all catch that? If y'all caught it. If y'all didn't, that's tough. Y'all gotta wait till Wednesday. And bye, y'all. I'm in such a good mood today.